that is where everything goes around that service delivery. Kwa hivyo hata kama kuna bei, by the way, the tariff ambayo tuko nayo sio profit tariff, it is called cost recovery tariff. So cost recovery ni kusema kama cost zenu ni $1,000,000, hatumkubali sisi kama Wasre, hatumkubali muokote $1,000,000 na shilingi moja.
Okay. At least nimeelewa hapo. From the word go, I think my fans are watching and the other people. Number one, you said about the 1,000 connection and reconnection fee. Hiyo tulikubaliana, hiyo ni ya discipline. Hiyo inaenda wapi?
Tulisema hiyo ni sector benchmark.
Okay.
All the water companies are being charged how much? 1,000 shillings.
Hiyo inaenda
Na hiyo 1,000 shillings sio ya kwenda sio, you cannot attribute it to that gadget ambayo inafanywa kwa sababu it's a service.
Itaenda kwa account.
Yes.
Itaenda kwa Nyawasco.
The reason why nimeuliza hivyo, you know, when you employ a lot of people, they always take advantage of making money. Mimi naweza chuka asubuhi nimetoka kulipa maji, but someone came akakata maji. You get? So the 1,000 yenye mnatoaga ya connection and connection stuff, hiyo mko na pale mnawekaga, si ndio? Tutoke hapo.
So in simple, Benga is trying to kuonyeshana there is
kwa account yangu haijawahi soma hiyo dhao. The reason why nasema hivyo, kwa account yangu haijawahi soma hiyo dhao, si ndio? Na hiyo dhao, hiyo 1,000
ya reconnection
fee. Si ndio?
Ukichajiwa lazima ionekane ya kwamba umechajiwa 1,000 shillings.
Lakini inastahili kuwa carried inilipie maji.
No.
Sasa inaenda wapi hiyo?
It's a penalty.
That's a very high penalty.
Nyawasco, in short words, they are using penalties to invest on Wanjiko. That's another case.
No, that is where the money. I can, you know, and it will be fair, and we say it from the beginning, it will be very fair not to insinuate.
But
Usinitie maneno.
That's what you're here.
Wait for somebody else to make the interpretation.
Okay.
Nimesema ya kwamba if you are disconnected and you are required to pay a penalty, what happens to that penalty is another story. But the company cannot rely on that penalty. What if everybody else paid in time? What will happen to our budget? So we budget based on the revenues, based on our water production. Hiyo ndio tunafanya nayo hesabu zetu.
Ametuambia 50% of the consumers of water ni Wajiko.
Over 50.
Over 50.
Yes.
And those people, sometimes they miss to pay their water on time. So that 1,000 is injuring the 50 plus one. Kama ingekuwa 300 ingekuwa sensible. Hata unajua hiyo 1,000 kuna mtu inania
nyumba ya 1,000 bana.
Anaishi 1,000. Maji yake bili ya miezi 2 juu alikuwa analipa 500, sasa hii imekuja 800, miezi 2 ni 16, hiyo atakatiwa. So atafosiwa kulipa 26. Do you know what will happen? Even Nyawasco is hurting itself. Hizi bills kienda hivyo, customers will run away.
Bakara.
Baadaye kama unaishi hapa Majengo, you even opt to go to Chania.
Kuna point itapotea, and that's why I say I want to engage him. Because I was in a wrong place.
No, don't engage him now.
No. The reason why our people and our viewers need answers, yes or no answers in this case. You said the Nyawasco is under county government, meaning the employees in Nyawasco are paid by the county government.
No.
They are paid by Nyawasco itself.
Kuna kitu alisema ni semi autonomous.
I say we are semi-autonomous.
Meaning you work with the rules and regulation based on the county government of Nyeri.
No.
Meaning everything.
No. Let me explain, and I will explain again and again. We are regulated by WASREB. WASREB appoints the county, because we are owned by the county. Appoints the county to be our prefect. Tunataka utuangalilia kwamba yule mtu anaitwa Nyawasco akimisbehave, anapeana maji ambayo iko treated, anapeana maji 24/7, anafanya ABC and D. So that is the relationship. So we are not.
Na pia county.
County nimeuliza hivyo. So when you decided to increase the water bills,
you consulted
your
county.
prefects were also consulted.
And they agreed.
Well, you know, I said, and I repeat it again, I said that we did stakeholders engagement. Stakeholders,
that's the public participation.
No, stakeholders is county and others.
Very many stakeholders, including all the public institutions.
Okay.
So we did a consultation. We did all the consultations.
Are you aware, whatever you have, the report you have on public participation was good? Because they have the evidence.
No.
You're not aware.
That
When,
is-
in the public participation, are you aware I was stopped from talking?
No.
Are you aware that what happened in public participation, Gojiri had a team and he had picked the MP, he picked a guy who is called Moi to represent the office. I will tell you the public participation, people who talked in public participation were 4. 1, the Nyeri MP's office representative. 2, the PA to MCA Nyeri. 3, the Msewa Kijiji Mr. Gedi, the Ephraim's office. 4, it was the leader, local leader, not elected. Let me finish. Let me finish up. Let me wait, please. Please, let me finish up the point. Do you know when I raised my hand, nirudishwa nyuma chini, and do you know what I was told? Tumekuja kukula. Are you aware of that?
No.
Whatever I say, do you know? Are you aware? I had a memorandum on the water cases.
No.
Do you know why you're not aware? Because the whole system is cheated.
Okay. Can I tell you?
Yeah.
Can I respond to that?
Yeah, respond to that.
Because I participated.
In
Were you there?
Yes.
Were you there in the
I was the
OMC?
MC. I actually.
Mr. Monyere was the MC
Where?
and Mr. Kiora was the MC.
I handled the Q&A.
Did you see me?
I handled it. Yes. I saw you, and I saw you walk out.
Do you know why I walked out?
And even after he walked out, you know, again, this event is recorded, so it is on record.
It's on the record.
Yeah. So
What's
all
on
those
the record?
not Nyawasco, Wasre.
What's
You know, this process, it was supervised by water sector regulatory board. Yeah, we sat in there, we were regulated. What happened is that at noon, that was the time that was set for to end the thing. Then once it says no, let's proceed. And everybody was given a chance. Not only here, Chaka, Muiga, and Giakaja, everybody was given a chance. That notwithstanding, people submitted memorandums. And actually, the emails that were provided for submitting memorandums were not Nyawasco. It was actually going to us. We were required to respond to every inquiry by every interested party. So hii public participation tulifanya hapa lakini ile kali ilikuwa stakeholders na wale walikuwa na maoni walikuwa wanatuma kwa email that was managed by who? By WASREB. Then WASREB forwarded to us wanatuambia can you respond to?
But the whole mobilization was done
by
by
the stakeholders in this case. Because in this matter, I know the stakeholders. I am a user of what
User and the final.
But when you are saying about the stakeholders, specify who are these.
No, there are many. Or everybody who is affected by our services. Everybody who is affected by our services or
You know,
benefits.
the most
from our services.
main people are there.
Which method were you using to call or to contact the customers or the?
We actually
He
did.
did
We actually did radio.
social media.
We did newspaper.
During the stakeholders.
Before inviting.
But
them for
during the public participation, there was no
That's where
media.
we are getting in.
There was no media.
Why didn't you use the same formula you are using to ask us or to tell us that we should pay this and this bill?
Okay, very good.
The SMS thing.
We actually uploaded even that information, and you know now what you are telling me is that I did wrong by attending this event
You never did.
because I should wait for you. I respond to you using the official channel, which is maybe the newspaper.
The radio.
You know, that's basically what you are telling me. If I offer to provide information, because I see I am a Kenyan, I am on Facebook, I am on social media. If I find that there is an issue, I have a duty as a manager. I have a duty as an employee of Nyawasco to provide information. If I will be wrong by providing the information on social media, then again I can invite you. We do, and that is why, by the way, we have invited our customers, those who have issues, and I would want to invite you. Those who have issues, I wish I had carried my laptop. I would have actually sorted your issue if there is any issue. That's what we want. We want to engage with the customers. We want to engage with the customers and provide solutions.
Yeah.
Festus, kidogo tu. Festus, kuna watu wanatuangalia.
Msanii, kuna kitu moja tu.
Kidogo.
Ya mwisho.
Better, wait. I won't
This will kill me.
Yeah,
This
let's
will
kill you
kill
right
me.
now. Yeah. Wacha ikuwe kidogo. I'm aware that there is someone alikuwa na swali.
Yeah.
Unaweza ulizia hapo dadi before tuende kwa viewers tuone venye wanasema. What's your name?
No. Hata anaweza kuja tu.
Kuja karibia.
Kuja tu tutakupea mic.
Mpatie mic. Ni bonge la mzee hapa hivi ndio hilo linapita.
Kuja hivi.
Utuambie wewe umekuja ku represent nani hapa ndani? Na karibu sana kwa Beef1 TV.
Shika tu hivyo. Mara unaweza shika tu.
Niko no.
Benta, no. Benta, I'm not giving you a chance. First of all, Benta, hold it right there. I'll give you a chance, my brother. I'll give you a chance.
I'm talking to you.
Don't talk to me right now. Hold this right there. I'll give you a chance.
Festus, hebu auliza question yake.
Uliza swali.
My name's James Kahunyo Muringo,
Mr. Muringo,
resident of Nyeri
Nyeri County.
for the last 20 years. I'm a customer to Nyewasco for the last 20 years. I've been in this town and I engage people in different forums, and I'm also an activist. Why I've come here is I'm on social media and adherent use of social media. And I've seen Makarawa Boy, who is just next to me, doing his politics using a company that is giving services to Nyerians, which is not worth what he's doing. It is unhygienical, unethical to use water as his political tool to clinch his MCA ambitions. I am a water user. We know and we understand, and it has been explained here how the process was undertaken. Within the Kenya Constitution, not Bill of Rights, Chapter 4, subsection I think 76 on use, and there is Chapter 4, there is a section on resources management. Natural resource. Water is a natural resource.
True.
Makara should have known, him being a reader, he should have known the process to undertake to address the issue, not invoking mwananchi,
Right of reply.
mwananchi on a political note.
Yeah.
We are not doomed, and he also has he has the light, and
No,
he has the constitutional right to vie and to kutetea wananchi.
First of all, tuondoe story ya kuvaa hapa.
Yes.
But yeah, let us not be
Because
personal.
I have a right to reply.
Yeah, of course. Tutakupea pia chance ya kureply.
But here we're not doing about
Politics.
politics.
Yeah.
We're here to discuss. And I
The
say,
what?
as we were beginning this discussion,
Yes.
I say we're not here to argue. Because once we say we are arguing, we'll never have
a solution.
We'll never have a solution. So, Mr. Moringo,
Where I'm coming from, yes.
Let me first of all govern you. Don't bring politic ambition of Makara in the hapa hivi.
I have a right to reply.
Yeah, you have a right to reply.
Oh,
You
yeah.
see, Nyeri is not amorphous.
Lightweight.
And Nyeri is not a vacuum. We live here, and it is our right to live here, just like anybody else.
True.
We are governed by laws. We are governed by by laws that has been set, and the natural resources that you are talking about has undergone a process before it reaches my user point. We must understand the process that has been taken before a drop of water trips in my sink or in my what. Now, in the social media, what I've seen and what I'm eagerly waiting for is Makara to first of all show us the bill that he's fighting for. I've seen him on social media agitating a bill of 5,680 that he's so mad about. You see, him being a reader, it's good for him to fight for Wanjiko. That is within his right. and it is good and it is welcome. Now, Makara brought the issue of water on a political note. We are also, I myself as a Nyerian, I'm also a politician. I respond politically. If we want the issue of water to be solved.
Please, I want to hapa na nini yako yote.
If we want the issue of water to be solved. No, if we want the issue of water to be solved.
Let's go for a break. Let's go for a break.
No, let me answer him.
Before you answer,
Hii huwezi kuja na hiyo nini yote hapana.
Before you answer my people, we're going to a short commercial break.
Wacha
Then
huyu ni
we'll be right
mtu
back.
mdogo bana. Wacha
And I want to show
nianze
these
hii.
guys that we're not here for politics.
Yes.
We're here to discuss and to enlighten.
Sini ameenda siasa.
We're here to enlighten. Mr. David, true? Yeah, your PA is telling me we're here to enlighten.
Yeah.
That is the baby.
We cannot wish that away.
That is the baby. That is the baby.
Acha ndweti ndiramerehe riu muhakwo na kou muri mongerere ndiracokerio ria
Makara, hebu kwanza kidogo. That is the baby. That is the baby we are praying with.
Yeah.
The baby we are praying with is, and it is true. You know, you can say, and I have seen it, people saying, can we revert to the old tariff?
yeah
If there was that old tariff, because it doesn't exist,
Yeah.
if people are to revert to that old tariff, it is not there. So what will happen is, once they will again start engaging,
They want-
watapata tariff, a process. Again, what happens is that if we are found to have dealt with the tariff,
yeah
the cost starts coming down.
yeah
Yeah? If we are unable to treat the water, yeah, what would that mean? If Nyawasco fails on her obligations, commitments ambazo zimefanywa, yeah, za kisheria, kuna wafanya kazi 200. Yeah? Those are the people you are dealing with. The Wanjiko yule nilikuambia 50 plus 1. Huyo ndiye amebenefit kwa hii tariff.
Haja benefit.
If amebenefit, Makara amebenefit.
I will bring you a copy of watu wa majengo na Witemere, 2000 of them.
Exactly.
Rates iria marihaga tene na rates zenye wanalipa saa hii.
Actually, that is why we called for an engagement with our customers
Yeah.
on Friday
Yeah.
at YMCA. We are calling them for an engagement.
So that you can see.
So that we deal with an issue. Makara ulete yako,
Yeah.
niifugue hapa, nikifugua kwa system tuiangalie. Hii inasema
Sasa ndio nataka kuuliza, after that engagement ukitengenezea mtu alikuwa na 6,000 ikuje bili, after that one after that one maybe after 2 months or 3 bado shida ile itokee juu. Hii shida iko ni juu ya tariff, si juu ya story ingine. Yeah? Na hiyo ni sawa. Hiyo wata engage customers na nini na nini. I want to ask nataka kujibu Jemo.
Hapana,
Jemo utamwasa ndio mbona kidogo tu
Nataka kumjibu.
Mr. Morino and Makara, you'll be answering
Si amenianzia hapa. Nataka dakika tu moja.
Hapana, zimeshasimama.
Nimekata hiyo pata amekuuliza kwa sababu nitaikata mimi.
Tumeikata.
Tumeikata.
It's not there.
It's not there.
It's not there. So don't be worked up because of that.
Niwe ayashiria reke ndimucokeria haha onako ere offline nie ndiretha giti na ndeto cia mai ndiretha giti na ndeto cia mai nie ndiretha giti giakwa
Festus.
niwe niki watu akorihagirwo biru ni gavana ri nie ni ndirihagira
Makara tuliza.
Wewe ngomeri hale ngokete
Makara unasema Wanjiko hajakuwa affected.
Ndagwa ntiriri ndiye gukurehera signature mundu na mita yake arihaga mita 360 tha icio arihio 900 ngurehere othe.
Sawa.
Ko metitwo no mara metanie tondu twakirie mwaki.
By the way, it is even easier.
It's even easier.
That is what we have said.
Yeah.
Very objective.
Yeah.
Ziretwe.
Sisi hasa kietwe.
Niyo ndathie ikana mundu utamihaga
Makara. Hapa. Makara. You see?
tutikite dakika cigana ndira show ingi
But in Nyeri you have the best tariffs. First of all, I've been surveying Easy Tariffs, by the way. Umenipata nikizisurvey. True. Na si ati nilikuwa na survey before, kama hata nilikuwa na survey baadaye. So, I want to say one thing. Kwanza nisirol tunamalizia hivi. I want to say one thing. Mimi, I'm not as you said, mimi sitegemei kupanda ya Wasco ama kupanda ya hawa. One thing I'll say, I've found that the Meru has the best service. Despite tuna complain ama complain Mr. Delta. Reason being, there is counties nimepata wanachajiwa 1 to 6 units 90. Kama mnasema nadanganya, you can go to Wasco website.
Nairobi is one of them.
There is Nakuru. Nakuru kuna watu wanalipa 55 1 to 6, where else Nyeri we are paying 47. Unaona? We should appreciate about that. Na sasa hivi nimesikia tunaweza zero consume juu kuna time pia mimi nilikuwa na wakompenia wakiingia nikawaambia mimi kuna time sijakuwa mwezi moja kwa nyumba na
Mr. David anaongea. Ngoja msidimie na sisi kitu. Okay, ngoja niseme kitu basi. Nitasema basi. The reality of this meeting, at least it was the best objective meeting in how it happened in Nyeri County. To be honest, that's a plus for us. And as for me, you may understand a lot of things that is happening with the Nyawasco and the water stuff. The issue ile ilikuwa the issue ile umefanya clarification. You know, we were bending Nyawasco in a very political way. Pushing now, you know what? Tulikuwa tunabend Nyawasco in a very political way, and as much as I'm concerned and Mr. David is concerned, we have seen the light. Sindio?
Bale ni ukweli.
The viewers wameelewa the relationship between the cost of living, the water cost, and why tumefika hapo. Sindio? The problem was this, the channel of communication
Was not okay.
Next time, and these are requests nimesema, before mfanye public participation, involve everyone. The same you are billing, not the bill mnatu bill.
Mnatuma SMS.
In form of SMS, which is very hivyo. Kwanza mnastahili kunilipa. Madam, you need to pay me. Because I'm the only person who was mobilizing people to go for public.
Mimi nakumbuka. Mimi nakumbukaga. Because I saw that through your post.
Moja maniosho.
I should be on payroll.
Wewe Mkenya.
Beta hapa na Zagiri. Mimi nakumbukaga niliona hiyo through your page. Niliona through your page na kupigia simu makubaliano nakupukanga. So kidogo tu before tuendelee, kuna mtu alikuwa anauliza kitu hapa. Ona inakasema bill yake it was overcharged. Akaenda complain na haikuwa collectiwa. Haja tuma na ngoja tume mita yake. Jo amesema from there aliambia kama hamta collect hii pesa nilipa excess, me I'm not paying again. Na haja irudishwa by the way.
Atume account number.
Sawa.
Akisha atuma account number tutumiwe. But unfortunately unajua
Yani
kabla tufanye umesikia Bwana Makara amesema yake analipaga. The biggest trouble ni yule mtu anafanya makelele lakini bill ukiangalia unapata halipi. Na tunaangalia unapata hii jina David, can I search for David? Una search David unaona huyu David ni yule. Unapata bill hajawahi lipa. So ndio unasikia mtu akisema niko na bill ya 30,000. Na hiyo 30,000 ukisonga nyuma unapata monthly bill ni 800 lakini for a whole 3 years haijalipwa. Sasa hii kwa sababu imekatwa na nimesema processes zimefanywa za kukata maji, za kusoma mita, kila mita inasomwa, ya kwamba our customer service is 24/7. You know, as a result of all those things, now you are seeing efficiency. Mtu yule alikuwa amejificha ameonekana. Sasa akionekana, challenge itakuwa na Bwana Makara ukija na hiyo list. Mtu akikuletea kwanza muulize akutumie SMS ile alilipa nayo. So that ukija hatutakuwa na you know,
unajua tutakuja na wao.
Ni sawa, haina shida tutakuwa MCA.
As long as you are
tutakuwa MCA, we are inviting people to MCA so that we can have that
from 9 to 5.
Sasa umepanga mkutano mwingine wa MCA.
Hapo ilikuwa ya wana.
Ilikuwa unasikia wenye walikuja si wao wanakuja saa hii, walikuja watu wa kazi mtaani. Hiyo tutaona na nyinyi basi.
It is actually
hiyo watu watakaa nje. Si ndani.
Lakini tunapiga round tao. Sasa msi mnasema nitafanya juu ya siasa huko nitakuja after race.
Kidogo.
Nimesema analipaga.
Watu wangu, ending the show. Hatuwezi end show hivyo. one thing we're here, the main reason we're here, we're not here because of political ambition, we're here to educate Nyeri.
Yeah.
And according to my understanding, mimi nimekam kurealize, Nyeri wase wengi wenye wata demonstrate, they are demonstrating due to lack of knowledge.
That's
Of
the
course.
thing.
Yeah? So it's high time they know. So, Mr. Director, you ready? Camera one, camera nyumbani iko fiti. Haya.
Festus. Festus,
Yeah?
but kitu nataka before tuendelee, I have a question. Nimeona mtu amecomment akasema hii unit ya mwana ya Wajiko kitambo ilikuwa 0 to 10. Sasa hizi imeenda chini to 0 to 6. So Wajiko
1 to 6 is
1 to 6. Yeah, that's what anasema 0 to 1 to 6. Yeah. So anasema sasa hiyo gap imekuwa kidogo, Wajiko anaumia juu hiyo kurudi. Mbona ingekaa 0 to 10?
I also think 0 to 10, according to my understanding, I'm not defending you guys, but according to the way ameongea hapa, I think 0 to 10 it's a disadvantage to Wajiko. Reason being, ukose kutumia maji, kama venye nilikwambia from the word go, ukose kutumia maji, you still pay the fixed charge. But right now, ukitumia, ndio utalipa. So that's why you are eliminate 0. Another thing, clarify another critical.
No, I mean, first anasema wewe umesema juu hiyo unaona ilikuwa ni 1 to 10. Sasa ikakuwa ni 1 to 6. Hiyo from 10 to 6 ina affect Wajiko.
The 4 units.
The
Yeah.
5.
Yeah.
The 4 units.
The 0 and
Ilipofanywa
10.
study by WASLEB again using the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, inaonyesha ni nani Wajiko.
Wajiko.
You see, there is a definition for who a poor person is.
Anatumia
There is a
hiyo range ya
definition.
maji.
Huyo mtu akiangaliwa attributes zake anaonekana anakuwa na masikio mbili, akona nyumba inapishana.
That's a very bad
income
narrative.
yake, okay, income
So a
yake.
poor person can have 6 kids and they need to clean.
No.
They need water for
No,
drinking.
by the
They
way,
need water for
let us-
Kuna
cooking.
point anasema,
Let us-
kuna point anasema,
let me
the maximum
explain.
and the
Let me
minimum
explain.
a commoner can
Can
use.
use. It's
Can
one
use
that-
That person called Wajiko akitumia unit 6, unajua unit moja ni gapi? Ni mitungi 50.
50.
1000 liters.
Tutupeleka maji.
20 jerrycans za
Tuweka watu na mai.
Unaona? So wewe
Hiyo mitaleta moshiska.
uko mzee peke yako kwa nyumba. Kama unaoga unatumia bucket gapi? Mtungi moja.
Mostly mtungi moja.
Mumeoga na mtungi moja.
No no ri iyo ni reverse.
Unaingia
Mabatie mundu urahuthira maingi akaheo mai na wholesale. Uyu urahuthira tunini go. Tondu riu ri mundu ina ciana ithathatu ri.
When I grow up, I want to be
Nari majengo ri.
I've been astonished by the way. I've been astonished if you are one unit.
Ni
it's
50.
about
50 jerrycans.
I think we do that as an experiment.
20
Mimi na doubt.
Basi mundu ataragira nginya ri hera.
1,000 liters.
Yes.
Ai.
As leaders, Makara and other leaders, what we should be doing, we should be changing
Educating
this narrative
people, yeah.
to educate our customers.
Acio
We have
matingĩigua.
been
Acio wĩra nĩ ithuĩ mũkũruta. Niĩ cingĩmũteithia. Aja nĩ enda kũrĩhwo rĩo niĩ. Nĩ mathiĩ ground.
So another way of tackling this bill is saving water and changing the way we've been using water. Because before it was 0 to 10.
But-
now what Reba said is 1 to 6.
1 to 6.
What can we do?
Na maĩ maya tũheagwo nĩ Ngai o ũguo na wacire mbino nĩ ndũkuona nayo. Inyuothe kĩondo kĩmwe county government Nyawasco Wasreb Kiboko.
Kuisafisha.
Osha, rinse, the way we use water. Hata sisi Nyawasco hatutaki maji mtumie maji mingi sana. We want to save water today so that it can save us tomorrow. I have been teaching
Yeah, I'm going somewhere. Sawa.
on how to save water and ensure that before nilikuwa naangalia
We,
mita yangu
kata
naona
show.
imefika 9 naanza kusave maji.
Kana
Sasa
adhiaga.
nafaa kuangalia nikiona
Ina show
imefika
igetha
5,
ici na iguma
naanza
iria.
kusave maji. Let us restrict our usage because it is possible. It is 6,000 liters. It is possible.
True. Thank you so much, Madam Josephine. Very said it right. Yeah, behind the cameras, Madam Josephine.
Josephine ugo atwithambaga rimwe
Thank you so
wiki.
much, by the way, I'm
In the discussion.
Sitakuwa naosha vyombo venye naoshaga. I usually
run water,
naosha
hiyo.
vyombo, which is very bad nimejua sahi. I think discussion, bado hii discussion haiwezi.
Haiwezi isha saa hizi.
Haiwezi isha.
Yeah. But watu out there, watu ambao watakuwa wanatokea pale for demonstrations. Before utokea demonstration,
Ngojea Friday.
piga mita yako namba, enda ufanyiwe reading zako za previous month na za sahi. Uende kwanza pale public participation 1CA na tumeelezwa kwamba na kwa public participation inaanza saa ngapi saa 3 am hadi 5.
No maraigire muthenya ni atwi na demo no tukamba kuhura demo we thira
But Kenyans, Kenyans, wherever you are, I plead with you, don't come out without knowledge.
Tuhenda ikemwe tulikie.
Ndio. Si come out juu ya kukosa knowledge. Kwanza getini kwa pale kwa nini? That's them. Waget pale kwanza kwa public participation, they get to know why they are demonstrating. Mbona wana demonstrate?
Yeah, at least.
Waget kujua mbona they are demonstrating. Is it their right kama ni watu ambao hawajajua Kenya inafaa information.
Yeah.
It's public engagement.
So watu wangu, if you are out there manze, you want to do something.
We ketulikie ni
kidogo tu mama.
Okay, baka kidogo.
In 1 minute.
1 minute. 1 minute. I'm grateful for this show. At least we have done something. And you have started my birthday last time. Tomorrow is my birthday. So at least
Ungekuwa leo.
At least vijana wangu, wazito wangu kule kwa mitandao wamelala leo, si ndio? For you people, for people, at least we say thank you. That changamoto. Before you step a step, before you make a step,
Communication.
utilize your time, educate the Nigerians and the Kenyans. You have to avoid such scenarios happen. And with that, mimi nasema leo nimeandikiwa clean hearted.
Hata mimi by the
Thank
way.
you so much. Hata mimi nasikia poa by the way. On a serious note. Mr. Makara, malizia show bana.
Malize.
Na wewe
Ni atafunga. It was grateful. Tunasikia hiyo mistake ili happen kidogo. Hiyo wataanza kurekebisha Friday na sisi huko kwingine tutajipanga.
So it's high time wewe Makara uambie watu wako wenye wanakaa demo kwanza uwasomeshe.
Hakuna kusoma, wamesoma, ni watu wamesoma.
Baada hajasoma sana. Agree by the way.
Yako ati mundu rari hangi magana matano di connection ni ngirire. Reke ni mathomete ni maguthoma riu kwanza riu tuguthie kira-ini kiu jemuoka tucemanie na omone twina kahinya kanini. Dina
Before handing this over to Mr. David Mwenyewe, I want to say something out here, and I'm emphasizing on this part. Yeah? If you're there, you'll be joining the demo. Na hauna content mbona demo ina happen. Kwanza enda public participation. Hiyo umesema ni public engagement.
Public engagement.
Enda kujua kwanza before you do that. Upate information, be fed information. Sasa ujue kama sisi tumefidiwa na information. Sijui kama utakuwa kwa hiyo demo on Friday. Kuna food. I was also to join the demo because pia mimi but after the way you've explained everything,
At least
I think I at least now feel there was an impact.
Yeah.
And that's why say something, Mr. David, as we closing up, as we winding up.
Before Malize, let's say this by the way, it's good to appreciate.
Yeah.
We just called them today.
Yeah, by the way, my people, let me manze, just I'm it right. Jocelyn.
tena matigiro
If
kile.
there is someone I'm supposed to thank right now, it's you, madam.
And the company.
Before I thank you, I must thank your subordinate, Fiona. Fiona, Fifi, whatever you are, manze, what is the Mungu? Yeah? Continue like that. Just whatever. Thank you so much, by the way. Thank you so much, Mr. David Mipetano. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for availing yourself. I called her at 9 leo. Tena akajiavia na wewe pia ukakuja. So, Mr. David, say something.
Okay. Asante sana kwa nafasi hii. Tumefurahia na kama Nyawasco kwa niaba ya management na board. Nyawasco is transforming. Nyawasco has transformed. Nyawasco is continually improving, not only to cover the Kenya water sector and the world in terms of being a world-class water company. Na hapo ndipo tuko. Hii nafasi ambayo umetupa tumekuwa tukipanga ya kwamba we shall have our own MD come and answer those questions to customers with call-ins, so we shall be engaging as and when, because we are not happy when we see our customers complaining and they are not ready to come. Actually, ukienda pale kwa customer care utapata hakuna watu, lakini ukienda huko kwa street unapata watu wakisema vile Nyawasco iko. Tunawakaribisha kwa ofisi zetu, tunawakaribisha kwa hiyo customer engagement on Friday. Let them come, we shall be there, all of us to attend to them.
Hata mimi nitakuwa by Festus. Nitakuwa by the way.
Anytime you have you have
utakuwa by the way ilikuwa
be involving us before MTV. Lazima tunakuja ili watu waweze kupata hii content.
Kitu nimenotice by the way, watu wengi wana comment on social media ni lack of information.
Lack of information.
That's one thing I noticed.
Lack of information. So thank you so much, Mr. Makara. Mr. Makara, ameacha set. Thank you so much, Mr. Makara.
Follow us.
Follow Nyawasco. Follow Nyawasco on their page, social media platform. Follow Mr. Benta. Follow Facebook. Follow Mr. David. Follow us before MTV and Kenya Instagram, before MTV on YouTube. Na hii show itakuwa pale. Mwanzo imekuwa imetetemesha. Imebidi pia kamera ziende down, but thank you to Nyawasco. Mbarikiwe sana. Till next time, my dear people, mbarikiwe sana.
Makara angekuita siku yake.